Hey guys, welcome back to week 3 of the Minimalist Game. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Shelly. I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. If you missed week 1 and week 2 of the Decluttering game, I will link it down below and on one of the cards. This week, it was very intense. I can say it's extreme decluttering because it's a lot of stuff that I got rid of. And towards the end, you will see that I'm struggling to find some items to get rid of. But at the end of the day, I find them and it's like mind-blowing of how much stuff I have and can get rid of. Just a little review of how this is working out and all that. It has been amazing. You guys have no idea how much this is helping. Like, it's like less laundry I have to do, which is nice, because what sometimes my daughter and me would do is like put on something and then not like how it fits or whatever, so we just take it off and leave it on the floor, and like that day when I clean up, I would just put it in the dirty laundry. So it wasn't even dirty, but because of the fact that it fell on the floor, it's dirty. So that's why we had a lot of laundry to do. And honestly guys, this week has been, even though it has been intense decluttering, like extreme decluttering, it has been like the easiest cleaning ever. And I'm gonna be honest with you all, it has been, since we moved here, I hadn't really decluttered like my husband's clothes, my clothes, some of Molly's clothes, but it's like, yeah, 8 years we've been here in this house and didn't really declutter until this month. And that's why we have all this clothes that we can get rid of. But yeah, so here is week 3 of the decluttering game. Hey guys, so today is day 15 and we're getting rid of some good stuff. And here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. These shoes broke the second time I wore them, so they are being returned. It's a shame. I like them a lot, but they gotta go. And these heels I did not even wear. Day 16, we're here decluttering Molly's room. And we're gonna get rid of her clothes now. We're done with my clothes and my husband's clothes. Now it's Molly's turn. Molly is a really good helper when it comes to decluttering because she knows what she wants and what she doesn't want, and that's awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And day 17, decluttering the baby's drawers. Drop it. And here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Day 18, continuing with the baby's drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Day 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And 21, Molly did it on her own this time. Told her I needed 22 things, or 21 things, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. As you saw, some of these items, it was like one shoe, it was one sock, it was like stuff like that I really didn't need to keep. Come on. But I'm so glad I got rid of it. So if you're asking yourself what I'm doing with the stuff, I am just giving it away. So at church there are some ladies that have daughters that are the similar ages of my daughters. So I'm just asking them if they want it, and if they don't, they can return it back to me. And whatever is returned back to me, I'm just gonna give it to Goodwill. But I wanted to start with the people I knew, with the people that I thought maybe wanted the stuff. So a lady at church said that she would take it all, and if she didn't keep any of the stuff, she would send it to Mexico because she had family there that she knows that would love it. So I am super excited. I feel already good inside for doing that. I should have done this a long time ago, and maybe not the extreme decluttering, but like just declutter in general. So thanks so much again for watching, guys. I will see you next week when we finish. Bye. Don't forget that this is a collab with other YouTube ladies, and our host is Clueless Mama D, and I will have the playlist linked down below and also in the card, so you guys can check that out and give them a big like and comment as well.